Hi guys, welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to turn any idea into a polished pitch deck or presentation in less than 5 minutes. I started by opening GPT to draft my slides. For this demo, I picked one of my niche ideas and asked GPT to create a 10 to 15 slide outline with content for each slide. In seconds, it gave me a clear, structured text version, exactly what I needed. Then, I used Gamma AI, a tool built to instantly turn written content into beautiful presentations. I imported my Google Doc, selected a theme, and in moments, Gamma transformed my text into a visually appealing, ready-to-present deck. I refined the content. I made a few quick edits and saved it into Google Docs. Keeping it here makes it easy to manage, update, and prepare for the design phase. Here, after uploading a presentation will generate like this, we can see every slide of description. We can add pictures and change format of text into different style using edit options. If you're exploring options, Chronicle HQ works in a very similar way. Both tools let you skip hours of formatting and focus on the story you want to tell. Here is the description for every slide we copied in Docs. And here's the result: clean layouts, consistent colors, and slides that feel professional without spending hours designing them manually. This workflow, GPT for drafting, Google Docs for organizing, Gamma AI or Chronicle HQ for design, can take your raw idea and turn it into a professional presentation in under 5 minutes. Try it for your next project and see how fast you can create impactful presentations. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart workflow tips.